Welcome, here I've got ARCHOS Access 57 and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. The volume buttons are here, so let me try to tap on this now to see how it works. And as you can see now, by using this I can easily take a picture. So to change its function we have to go to more advanced options. Let's go to this button. When we tap on this we get access to more buttons, and from here let's pick this button with settings. By tapping on this we go through to the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on the capture settings. Here we have volume key functions option, so when we tap on this we can pick from volume, shoot or zoom. So for now it was shoot. Let me change this to zoom to see how it works different, and let's go back to the camera and let me try now to use these buttons once again. And as you can see now, I can easily get closer to my subject, so I can zoom by using these buttons and also go back. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel and leave the thumbs up.